Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, bringing to you a Creditor Days tip. Creditor Days is cash flow lever, and Creditor Days impact how much money stays to hang around in your business before you pay your suppliers. So, our cash flow tip of the day is use credit cards. If you pay your invoice on the last day possible using your credit card, you can extend the time before your actual payment falls due. Now, typically credit cards have a 30-day or a 45-day cycle, so if you can pay your bill using your credit card at the end of the payment period, so say you have 30 days to pay your bill, on day 30 you pay your bill using your credit card, then using your credit card you may then have another 30 to 45 days before you actually have to pay the bank or the finance company for that credit. So if you're really stretched on cash flow at particular times of the year, it's a really key idea to use some credit that's available to you, that's readily available to you. Now, in some countries they don't allow you to make business payments with credit cards, but in many countries they do. So you just need to know what your country allows for you to do. This has been a cash flow lever tip for Creditor Days.